Hello everyone, myself Aman Patel. Today we are discussing about generating different type of generating ideas, different type of matter generating ideas, including creative problem solving techniques. Creative ideas do not suddenly approach in people's mind. It is a result of solving a problem or achieve a particular goal. Matter generating ideas are discussed below. First, focus group. Second, brainstorming. Third, problem inventory analysis. Fourth, observation. Fifth, research and development. Sixth, emerging trends. So they are discussing about one idea. Focus group in-depth discussion rather than simply asking questions to solicit participant response. Discuss in carried out for any new product or service. There is a moderator who enables and challenge the group to give their best. Second, brainstorming.
चल
Brainstorming. It is a most well-known and widely used idea generation as well as for problem solving. Once the idea is generated into the idea generation technique, this is the process of thinking about a specific topic to generating several ideas. There are two types of brainstorming, formal or informal. Brainstorming sessions are usually informal since relaxed atmospheric process better ideas. Third,
Problem
problem
inventory
inventory
analysis.
analysis. In problem inventory analysis, for obtaining new ideas and solutions by focusing on existing problems. Therefore, they are asked to identify and discuss products in each category that have a particular problem. This method is effective when an improved service product desired. Further information are followed by my friend Darshan Patel.
What first? What to do people buy idea? Buy when people buy or why they do buy? What could be alternatives? What do people buy but didn't like? These all questions should be asked in order to identify the business idea for a particular sector. Research and develop. This activity is aimed to invent new product, enhance new business idea through utilizing knowledge acquired during study or work experience. Researching new methods, skills, and techniques enable entrepreneurs to enhance his performance and ability to deliver product and service. Emerging trades. To identify emerging trades can generate new idea business for such entrepreneurship. If it is picked in the early stage of emergence, it can be huge revenue generating business. For example, digital payments is an emerging trend in India which can help give boost to the economy also.
creative problem solving technique. Creative idea do not suddenly appear in people's mind for no apparent reason. Rather, they are the result of trying to solve specific problem or to achieve a particular goal. Creative problem solving capacity can only be enhanced through a various mental exercise technique. Through creative effect by age, education, etc. Following are some of such techniques which can help in solving the problem. Brainstorming. In brainstorming sessions, start with problem statement. The topic of the brainstorming should be clearly given on it, and based on that problem can be solved. No criticism is allowed in brainstorming. Thought should be creative in brainstorming. That after reverse brainstorming, a group method that focus on the negative aspect of a product, service, or an idea, as well as way to overcome this problem. Care must be taken to maintain a group model by the moderator in reverse brainstorming. Brainwriting. Brainwriting is a form of written brainstorming. Participants write their idea on special form or card that circulate within the group. That of the Gordon method. Method for developing new idea when the individuals are unaware of the problem. Solutions are not clouded by preconceived idea and behavior patterns.
Next is checklist method. In a checklist method, entrepreneurs used to give a list of questions or a statement to guide the direction of developing entirely new ideas or focusing on the specific ideas. By the giving a list of question and statement, entrepreneur used to give us the direction. Means the if the any problem is occur in a industry, the entrepreneur gives the direction to how to solve it. In a free association method, there is a word or a phrase relating problem being written down. Means the entrepreneur used to give a chain of words which is useful to create the new chain of ideas. In a next method is post relationship method. In a post relationship method, there is used to form a relationship between the pattern elements of between the patterns between elements of problem. There is a 5 step. First step is the isolation of element of problem. And then we need to establish the relationship between the element of problem. Then we need to record the relationship and then analyze it. And by the analyzing the relationship, we can develop a new idea from this pattern.
Hello. Next is the collective notebook method. In a collective notebook method, a small notebook that easily fit in the pocket, containing a statement of a problem, blank page, and background data is distributed to participants. Participants are expected to consider the problem and its possible solution, and then record it in daily. And at the end of the week, the list of the best ideas is developed together with any suggestion. The next is the attribute listing. Attribute listing is an idea generating method uh, that requires entrepreneur to list the attribute of an item or a problem and then look at each from different perspective. Through this method, originally unrelated object can be brought together to form a new idea, a new combination, and possible new use that better satisfy a need. In summary, attribute listing method refers to a method of developing a new idea by looking at the negative and positive point of the problem. Next, next is the big dream approach. In this method, entrepreneur dreams about the problem and its solution. He or she is thinking in big. In this approach, every possibility is recorded and investigated, or the resource required documented. Next is the parameter analysis. This method, this method of developing a new idea by focusing on a parameter identification and creative synthesis. Parameter parameter identification uh, involves the analysis of variable contained in the situation to determine their relative importance. This variable thereafter become the focus of the investigation with the other variable being set aside. Thank you.